Insta Traffic Mastery is the end-all be-all training that will walk you through the tried and true strategies to get followers on Instagram. It's a course for Instagram beginners, and taught by 100-plus account-owning successful Instagram influencer, and co-founder of Impact Billions, Tim Karsliyev himself. Insta Traffic Mastery is truly the most detailed and intricate Instagram course in existence, and is taught as if you are starting from scratch. You will learn everything about how to get followers on Instagram and build an unshakable influence, and also how you can turn Instagram into a lucrative income stream by monetizing your audience the right way. Presented by 4%, the #1 community of digital entrepreneurs in the world, Insta Traffic Mastery is a top-of-the-line course only offered to members of this elite group. Joining this elite group of entrepreneurs will cost you absolutely nothing, but will be the change in your life and business that you've always desired. You can sign up to receive hours and hours of free value at theaffiliateking.net/instatraffic while it's still free to join. So let's talk more in depth about what you will be learning in Insta Traffic Mastery. Dispersed over 10 monumental modules, you will learn step by step everything needed to know about creating influence, promoting business or products, and marketing companies using Instagram. No more buying fake followers and engagement. No more thinking you have to invest thousands to grow on Instagram. And ultimately, no more wasting time. Now, after joining 4% for free, this premium training can be purchased at a one-time purchase of $497, also unlocking many other programs that 4% provides for free with this investment. Not only that, but 4% also offers an affiliate earning opportunity for promoting Insta Traffic Mastery if you are interested in this lucrative opportunity of affiliate marketing. Offering 50% commissions with every life-changing purchase, you can make a solid income online, while helping others change their lives and grow on Instagram, which is a win-win. Nevertheless, this affiliate opportunity requires you to have a 4% Pro account. More details inside on this. Is Insta Traffic Mastery right for you? With the massive growth that Instagram has received over the last few years, anyone who has the ability to use Instagram as a platform to build an influence, can truly create a successful business or brand at will, for themselves or as a service to offer others. Marketing to a large group of targeted consumers is the go-to technique used to become successful in any business. You will learn how to organically build a massive audience of targeted users at will, and create an economy to market any product or service to. This works perfectly for affiliate marketing as well. We live in a time of social media and influence. Why wouldn't you master and utilize it if you had the opportunity? This is your opportunity, and your chance to truly achieve freedom and authority in any niche that you desire. Join the 4% community for free, and get Insta Traffic Academy at theaffiliateking.net/instatraffic today. It's the Affiliate King, and I'll see you on the Explore page soon.